Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're a seasoned musician, an aspiring producer, or simply someone intrigued by the world of music technology, I believe you'll find today's topic both informative and engaging. We're going to explore the Ahmed Oxygen 49, a versatile MIDI keyboard controller that's become a staple in studios and live performances around the world. The importance of MIDI controllers in modern music. Before we dive into the specifics of the Oxygen 49, let's take a moment to understand the role of MIDI controllers in modern music production. MIDI, which stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface, revolutionized the way we create and interact with music. It allows electronic instruments and computers to communicate, enabling musicians to control a wide range of sounds and effects with a single device. MIDI controllers like the Oxygen 49 serve as the bridge between your creative ideas and the digital audio workstation DAW on your computer. They provide tactile control over virtual instruments, making the music production process more intuitive and expressive. Ahmed, a trusted name in music technology. Ahmed is a brand that has long been associated with quality and innovation in the music technology industry. Founded in 1988, Ahmed has consistently delivered products that cater to the needs of musicians and producers at all levels. Their commitment to affordability without compromising on features has made them a favorite among hobbyists and professionals alike. Introducing the Oxygen series. The Oxygen series is one of Ahmed's flagship lines of MIDI controllers. Over the years, it has evolved to meet the changing demands of music production. The series includes controllers of various sizes, but today, we're focusing on the Oxygen 49, which strikes an excellent balance between functionality and portability. Key features of the Ahmed Oxygen 49. So, what makes the Oxygen 49 stand out in a crowded market? 1. 49 velocity-sensitive keys. The Oxygen 49 features 49 full-size, synth-action keys that are velocity-sensitive. This means the force with which you press the keys affects the volume and tone of the sound, allowing for expressive playing. 2. Assignable controls. It comes equipped with 8 assignable knobs and 9 assignable faders. These controls can be mapped to various parameters within your DAW or virtual instruments, such as volume levels, pan positions, or effect parameters. 3. Dedicated transport controls. The built-in transport buttons play, stop, record, rewind, and fast forward allow you to control your DAW without needing to switch back to your computer, streamlining your workflow. 4. Auto mapping for popular DAWs. The Oxygen 49 offers seamless integration with popular DAWs like Ableton Live, Pro Tools, Logic, and Cubase. The auto mapping feature automatically assigns the keyboard's controls to the most commonly used functions within these software platforms. 5. LCD screen. The onboard LCD screen provides real-time feedback on parameters and settings, ensuring you're always aware of what your controls are affecting. 6. Octave up/down buttons. These buttons allow you to shift the keyboard's range up or down, effectively giving you access to the full range of musical notes despite the 49-key limitation. 7. Sustain pedal input. There's also an input for a sustain pedal, which is essential for piano-style playing and adds another layer of expression to your performances. Benefits of using the Oxygen 49. The Oxygen 49 is more than just a collection of features. It's a tool that can significantly enhance your music production experience. Enhance creativity. With hands-on controls, you can manipulate sounds in real time, fostering a more creative and engaging workflow. Portability. Weighing in at just a few pounds and with a slim profile, it's easy to transport, making it ideal for musicians on the go. Affordability. Despite its professional features, the Oxygen 49 is priced competitively, making it accessible to a wide range of users. Use cases for the Oxygen 49. Let's look at how different people might use this versatile controller. In the studio, producers can use the Oxygen 49 to lay down tracks, automate parameters, and control their DAW, all from the keyboard, reducing the need to switch between devices. Live performances. Performers can take advantage of its portability and robust build to deliver dynamic live shows, controlling virtual instruments and effects in real time. Educational settings. For students learning music production or piano, the Oxygen 49 provides a hands-on tool that bridges traditional playing with modern technology. User experiences. Many users praise the Oxygen 49 for its ease of use and reliability. For instance, a producer I know mentioned how the auto-mapping feature saved them hours of setup time, allowing them to focus more on creating music rather than configuring software. Conclusion. In a world where technology and creativity intersect, tools like the Amar Oxygen 49 are invaluable. They empower musicians and producers to bring their ideas to life with greater ease and expression. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your setup, the Oxygen 49 offers a blend of functionality, portability, and affordability that's hard to beat. Why the Oxygen 49 is a game changer. The Oxygen 49 isn't just about the hardware. It's about how it integrates into your creative process. For example, the MIDI mapping feature allows you to assign specific parameters to the knobs and faders, making it easy to control everything from reverb levels to synthesizer filters. This hands-on control encourages experimentation, which often leads to unexpected and exciting results in your music. Additionally, its compatibility with industry-standard DAWs makes it a versatile choice for anyone, whether you're working in a home studio or a professional environment. The auto-mapping functionality, specifically, eliminates the technical barriers that often hinder creativity, letting you jump straight into your projects. Practical tips for using the Oxygen 49. If you decide to use the Oxygen 49, here are a few tips to help you get the most out of it. Customize your mapping. While the auto-mapping feature is convenient, don't hesitate to customize the mappings to suit your specific workflow. Many DAWs allow you to save presets, so you can switch between setups for different projects quickly. Combine with a sustain pedal. Adding a sustain pedal can significantly enhance your playing experience, especially when working with piano or string virtual instruments. Use it with virtual instrument libraries. Pairing the Oxygen 49 with rich virtual instrument libraries, like Native Instruments Contact or Arturia's Analog Lab, can open up a world of creative possibilities. The faders and knobs are particularly useful for controlling dynamic elements like mod wheels or expression. Practice live automation. During recording, use the faders and knobs to automate parameters in real time. This technique can add a human touch to your tracks, making them feel more alive. Final thoughts. As music production tools continue to evolve, the Ahmed Oxygen 49 stands as a testament to how technology can enhance creativity rather than hinder it. By bridging the gap between traditional musical instruments and digital production tools,